To let's assume your computer is getting hot. So what exactly is the problem is if your fan have problem, so your computer will not.
How we want to use our cooling fan or fan in your new motherboard. So today I want to show you that we have at least 1000 product of HP. This is a compact process CQ61. It's a problem of the system. Today we have a problem of the hot. The computer is hot, but no matter how maybe your computer is hot, you must check cooling fan. This cooling fan is not working. Now we want to show you how you want to use the new cooling fan. And then we have a 3 type of cooling fan. We have done out to 3 aware. This is not 3. This is 3 way. We have a 4 way. We have a 2 way. This is a 3.
This is the one that have a 3 cable, right?
Yes.
So we have the one with 2 cables.
Yes. You must using the same points. Don't mistakenly to take 2 way to 3 way.
Okay, now if I have the one with 2, it's not going to work on 3.
It's not going to work. Now I want to show you that how you want to use the fan. This is a fan. You are clipping here. When you're clipping here, it's better check your fan is rolling well. When your fan is not running, don't use it again. And then let you carcass. This is a carcass. Okay, do it.